So the Allen's at an angle like this instead of straight up and down is our problem. That's why I wouldn't start. You got that in there?
Yep.
Tight?
Tight enough.
Is it tight as that way it normally runs, or? Oh, I got all this stuff in there.
Well, it's supposed to go.
Helps underneath that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll work.
Where's your seat? You get that plugged in over here, plugged back in?
She's full of shit.
You plug that plug back in as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, why don't you open up the door? Time for some noise.
Hey, before you fire the thing up, dude.
What do I gotta do it?
We work together.
Just crank the damn thing.
Hit the start button.
out of the stupid bike. You ready to start yet? You can make all kinds of noises.
That didn't sound good.
Oil pressure. The lifters have to pump up. Where's the oil pressure indicator at? Oh, that's over here. I see it. That's right, right. You're blocking the camera. What's the work the camera? Let oil get to them.
Do we need to add oil, Tatro?
No, just gotta let it get to the lifters. The lifters are running dry.
Sound like my boy.
Noisy? Yeah. The fingerprints all over the exhaust system. I don't like these high RPM how these things run when you first start them.
Doesn't sound good.
No, just waiting for the oil to get the lifters. They're not fucking pumping up. Should have already pumped up, but
How much oil did we lose?
no, I got oil pressure. It's just getting the lifters in there. I don't usually have real high RPM run the bike until the lifters pump up. But this motor, I got no control over RPM. It's at idle, but it's 2,000 RPM idle. Stupid. One of them started working. You hear I climbed down a little bit, no noise.
We would have soaked them in oil if we put it in the rear window to make no difference.
They were in oil. Sometimes they just take a while.
What you think, Tatro?
Waiting for shit to pump up. See if the chain shoes are not pumped up or lift is not pumped up. Or both. I'm being stubborn. Should have already quit making noise.
We put on a new oil pump, or is that the same oil pump?
Yeah, it's not an oil pump issue. It's got oil pressure. It just doesn't want to pump up for whatever reason. Don't know why. It's being stubborn. It's mainly on the front cylinder. You can really feel it on the front one. It's like the front intake. It's one of the hammers the most noise I can hear anyway. That's more than one of them that are doing it. I don't think a cam change would be a problem. They should have pumped up. The tensioner on the chain. If the chain wasn't tight, it'd be the same problem. It'd be clattering like crazy. But plunger should be all. It shouldn't matter how you mix and match them. The guts are all the same. Something is not happy in there, obviously.
Put everything on the same.
Yeah.
Sounding like goddamn fucking Chester's bike. Sure, it's oil in here.
Well, it's pumping oil. The oil light goes out instantly up here. So.
Tatro, what do you think? Did it start quiet in you, Tatro?
I don't know what the noise is. It's making noise. You're blocking the camera though. Alright, so it sounds like it's the front lifter. Front intake's where it sounds like most of the noise is from. Like I said, it's either the chain shoes in here aren't pumping up or we got a lifter that ain't pumping up. One or the other. Obviously something's making noise. So, all we can do is try to figure out which one it is. Where
So you
is
think it is, bro? That small chain up there, seems like it ain't lubed up, bro. Seems like it ain't too oily. We put the cam shit. Seems like that box need oil.
It's hot over
that
here.
Light say, just fill it up.
Sounded like after that last twist on the throttle, it's quiet. It got a little bit quiet.
Sometimes they take a while to pump up, but this is getting ridiculous on time frame. Yeah, how much oil are we gonna lose here? Ah, hot. Oh, we don't have any push on this. See what I'm adjustable push rod you can push on the lifter because the tensioners are right there, but in this bike we don't have that feature. So where are the what are we doing? See, these things have no room to work. The stupid ass motors aren't made to have adjustable lifters in here. So what I want to do is I want to see what's going on with the lifter below. But I have no way of telling because of the way the damn motor is made. I can't push on a hydraulic unit. See, normally you got a hydraulic unit, you can push on the push rod where the adjuster is, and if the hydraulic goes up and down, then I know the damn thing ain't pumped up. If it's rock hard, I know it's good. I can't do that on this bike because I can't get to it. I have no access. All you can do is put a vice grip on the damn push rod and try to push it down, but I don't want to do that. It screws the push rod up. Now we don't know which cylinder we're on right now either. That's the next problem. So you have to jack it up, put it in gear, and spin it around. But from what I can see, obviously you can't see much on the hydraulic being bad. I can't even see the hydraulic lifter. It's buried so deep in there. Can't even see the damn thing. The lifters are buried way down deep in here. Can't even see them, those damn things. There's no room. Alright, we'll figure it out. We'll be back.
It's fun.
Yeah, it's quieted down quite a bit there. Quiet it down. A little bit here and there, but quiet it down. Still in there just a little bit. It's gonna start getting pretty hot running it. That definitely quieted down a lot that second time around.
I think we should do it, let it cool down, and try it one more time.
You just go ride the damn thing. The only thing I can figure is the plunger in there is sticking and not letting it pump up correctly.
That's all it's doing.
Yeah, the obviously the lifter is not quite what we want for quality on that one. It's got dirt in it or something.
Well, it just went down about 65–70%.
Yeah, you can hear it. It comes and goes away, but it's there just a little bit when you get down a certain RPM. So we pulled the push rod covers all up and checked all the lifters to see which ones were not pumped up. Only this rear end, the front intake was the only one that was soft. You can push on it and it would still go up and down. So that means it wasn't pumped up. But this last time we just started again, it quieted it down a lot real quick. So just go ride the damn thing, run the piss out of it. Worst thing that happened, we're gonna put another lifter in it.
Let's find out.
Either way, if it gives you a problem, we'll put another one in either way. We know there's a bad one there.
Let's figure it out. Oh, this is not right. It should have been right.
You can put it all upside down. Get in there right.
It goes this way.
Yeah, it goes that way. Even I know that. And I don't know squat. Putting the board in the way? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, there you go. Getting late. It's almost time to go to work. The bad part, it's not even my bedtime yet. Yeah, we got another couple more hours before I have to go to bed.
I'm just coming home, bro. I'm not even gonna put this.
Those are all disconnected, or are they supposed to be connected?
Yeah, those are all supposed to be connected, but.
Where's it at? Underneath the panel here?
Yeah, I wasn't gonna connect them yet.
Why not?
No, fuck it, let's connect it.
Yeah. Where's it at? Under this cover?
Yeah, pull it off.
There it goes. Where's that in there? Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's easy to get to. It's warm over here. Oh, I'm right on top of a hot exhaust pipe. You got it?
This.
Oh,